Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to download and install Connect IQ Store application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on the phone that is paired with your watch. Then open the App Store on that phone. I'm gonna open Google Play Store because I'm using Android device rather. But if you're using iPhone, you can open the App Store on your iPhone and you will find that application there. So tap on search in the App Store and type in Connect IQ Store and then tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, Connect IQ Store by Garmin with this icon. Once you find the app, tap on install button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, tap on open. Here tap on welcome. Continue, or if you want to switch account, tap on switch accounts. Check the bugs. Tap next. As you saw, we had a pop-up about the permission. For some reason on this phone it just skips and we have the message right here at the top that we need to allow the device permission. So basically tap on this message if you see this. If not, if you had the pop-up and you tap on allow, you won't see this message. So basically all you need to do when you see the pop-up, you need to allow the permission for the nearby devices. For some reason it skips it for me on this phone, so I need to tap on allow right here, tap on permissions and then tap on nearby devices and tap on allow. Then we can close the app, reopen it, and once you reopen it, the message will be gone. As you can see, it's gone, it's not here anymore. Okay. And here we have the IQ Store. We have different categories of watch faces and apps. You can browse through this and look for something you want to install. I'm gonna tap on search right here and select the apps category, like right here, to narrow my search only to apps. And now I can scroll down, find the app I want to install. And once you find the app, simply tap on it. I don't know. Maybe this one. So let's tap on the app. And here we have the info about the application. We have screenshots, reviews, we have description, change log. You can also tap on compatible devices to check if your watch is compatible with the app. So scroll through the list, look for your Vivoactive 5. And it is right here, so it means that the app will work on our watch. And once you want to install it, tap on install button and wait. And after the application is done installing, you will see this pop up on the screen. You can tap on get it. And now on your watch, you can press the upper button to open the activities. And here you can tap on apps and scroll down and you should see the app right here, and you can tap on the icon to open it. Okay. On the phone in the Connect IQ Store, you can also tap on my device, and here you can tap on my device apps and see the list of apps installed on your watch. And you can tap on one. If you want to see more details, you can uninstall it and stuff like that. Okay, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.